हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल उपेक्षा जी के क्लासेस। आज मैं आपको टॉप 20 इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस कराने वाली हूँ 22 मई 2025 के। ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाला है, सो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो चलिए लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, कनाडा ऑथर बानू मुस्ताक won the 2025 इंटरनेशनल बुकर प्राइज फॉर विच शॉर्ट स्टोरी कलेक्शन? Correct answer is option C, Heart Lamp. Question 2. In May 2025, the National Cadet Corps (NCC) summited Mount Everest for the dash time. Correct answer option C, third. Question 3. National Anti-Terrorism Day is observed in India every year on. Correct answer option D, 21 May. Question 4. Who topped Forbes magazine 2025 list of the world's highest paid athlete? Correct answer option D, Cristiano Ronaldo. Question 5. Eminent nuclear scientist Dr. M.R. Srinivasan, who passed away in May 2025, received the Padma Vibhushan in which year? Correct answer option B, 2015. Question 6. The Mukhyamantri Suposhan Abhiyan to tackle child malnutrition is being implemented by which Indian state? Correct answer option B, Uttar Pradesh. Question 7. Vibhor Jain was appointed acting CEO of which government-backed digital commerce network in May 2025? Correct answer option B, ONDC, Open Network for Digital Commerce. Question 8. Danishwar Bhartiya of Iran clinched gold in the open section of the 2025 Asian Chess Championship held in. Correct answer option C, LN, UAE. Question 9. China's Zhu Ziner finished first on the overall leaderboard of which 2024-25 chess series? Correct answer option C, FIDE Women's Grand Prix. Question 10. Which international organization released the Global Electric Vehicle Outlook 2025 report in May 2025? Correct answer option B, IEA, International Energy Agency. Question 11. The Indrayani River, recently in the news over illegal construction, flows through which Indian state? Correct answer option C, Maharashtra. Question 12. The RS-24 Yars intercontinental ballistic missile was developed by. Correct answer option C, Russia. Question 13. The apps Dipo Darpan, Anna Mitra and Anna Sahayata were launched by which union ministry? Correct answer option B, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Question 14. Which country received the certificate of elimination for eliminating trachoma as a public health problem at the 78th World Health Assembly in Geneva on May 19, 2025? Correct answer option C, India. Question 15. The Indra Sauragri Jala Vikasam scheme for solar powered irrigation was launched by which Indian state for tribal farmers? Correct answer option C, Telangana. Question 16. Nico Sordan won the presidential election held in May 2025 in which country? Correct answer option B, Romania. Question 17. Who inaugurated the Pradhan Mantri Divisha Kendra PMDK in Kota, Rajasthan in May 2025? Correct answer is option C. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Question 18. What is GEMAI launched by Government e-Market GEM on its 8th Foundation Day in May 2025? Correct answer option B. Real-time buyer seller support chatbot. Question 19. Indonesia raised its highest alert level in May 2025 after multiple eruptions of which volcano? Correct answer option D. Mount Levotobi Laki. Question 20. Justice Kempaiah Somshekhar was appointed Chief Justice of which High Court in May 2025? Correct answer option C. Manipur.